in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greene County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, eastern Clay County in eastern Arkansas, Pemiscot County, Missouri, Dunklin County, Missouri, western Dyer County in West Tennessee, Obion County in West Tennessee, Lake County in West Tennessee, until 7:45 a.m. At 7:02 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Malden to near Marmaduke, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paragould, Blytheville, Kennett, Union City, Caruthersville, Malden, Piggott, Gosnell, Portageville, Hayti, Steele, Campbell, Rector, Sinoff, Marmaduke, Reelfoot Lake State Park, Tiptonville, Ridgely, Troy, and Obion. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following county: Dunklin, Missouri, and Obion, Tennessee.